Welcome each and everyone. I'm going to show you how to fight the common flu by using 5 simple ingredients. As you can hear my voice, it's barely coming back, and this is the recipe I use to fight the flu. And you can thank me later. My name is Chef Andre Henry, and you're watching Chef Henry Kitchen. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. I'm going to go over all the ingredients. I'm using a nice piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 oregano leaves, turmeric powder, and honey. In this pot, I have 2 cups of water. I'm going to turn on the convection stove, and I'm going to start getting the pot boiling. I'm going to turn it all the way up. You need your strainer. You need all of this. You want to wash everything you're using in the kitchen. I have gloves on. I'm going to grab the grater, and we're going to grate the ginger. I'm going to use a small knife to get the ginger off the grater. I'm going to add the oregano leaf inside there. I just want to use the knife to just cut it. Now for the garlics. I'm going to grate one of the garlic. Remember guys, thank me later. The next one, I'm just going to drop it in the pot. For the turmeric, I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon. Now for the honey. While it's boiling, you want to add your honey so it can be sweetened. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to use this wooden spoon to start. We're going to let it boil for 5 minutes. I'm going to shut the stove off. I'm going to grab a cup. Nice teacup. Don't worry if it said the season. Yeah, it's a flu season going around. So now I'm going to use the strainer. check this out. Look at the color. I'm gonna go in. And guys, this is what I've been using, and I did have the shiver for a couple of days. Then I turned to my grandfather recipe and it works. When I say it works, try it. If you have flu, follow this recipe and tell me in the comment section. So guys, I'm gonna finish my tea, and remember, go in the comment section. Thank me later. See you on the next one.